Hey guys, so today we're going to look for low competition niches within the candle niche. So we're looking on eRank. There's a lot of competition in candles. There's 61,600 searches a month, but there's almost a million competition. So we need to look for a low competition niche, or as people say, you need to niche down. So let's have a look through for any green ones and see what we can find. Cool candles, funky candles, dessert candles, bubble candles. We need something that we can do on print on demand. So teacher candles, there's not a bad search. There's almost 500 searches a month, and the Etsy competition is 10,494 for teacher candles. Beach candles, it's very similar, 449 searches and a competition of only 12,724. We'll look for a few more in the candle section. Birthday candles, that's got really low competition. Birthday candles, 235 searches a month, and it's only got Etsy competition of 556. So birthday candles will be personalized, obviously, for people's birthdays. So we shall go and have a look at making birthday candles on Printify. So before we go to Printify, we'll come to Etsy and have a look to see what other people are selling for birthday candles. So we can see down here, it says 1,018 results with ads. So that sounds about right. Half of them are ads and half of them are not ads. So the first row is ads. So we'll go to the second row. This is Etsy's pick. So this one here is in 20 plus baskets. It's $27.27. Birthday gift for her, birthday candle, zodiac gift, personalized birthday candle. It says the name, Amelia, the daffodil, which is the birth flower, the fish, Pisces. So it's got the star sign and aquamarine as well, and the date of their birthday, 10th of March. We'll look at a second one. This one here, custom birthday candle for Zodiac. It's in 20 plus baskets. It's $16.72. Custom birthday candle for Zodiac sign, birthday symbols, gift for friend, candle for her with birth flower, birth month, bird, Zodiac symbols. So it's got the stone, the flower, the sign, her actual birth date, an element like wind or fire, and a bird as well. And we'll look at one more birthday candle. So this one's in demand. 8 people bought this in the last 24 hours. It's $17.53. Any age, personalized birthday gift candle, birthday gift for friend, birthday gift for her. Looks nice and easy to make. It just says the name, the birth date, and then it says, keep shining bright on your 40th birthday. Love, Annie. So that's a nice easy one to make. You can just make that in free Canva. So let's go to Printify and see what size you need to make these labels for the candles. So then what we need to do is come to Printify and have a look at the products. So we're looking for a candle. And you can see there's a few different ones here. They're all eco-friendly. We've got a scented soy candle for $11.19 or $9.15 with Printify Premium. We've got scented candles for $11.19 or $9.15 with Printify Premium as well. And we've got another one here, same price again, of the scented candle. So you can just choose who you like. You got different people like Printed Mint that are making it. So you can have a look through and decide which one you want. These ones are more expensive, so you probably go with one of these. Printed Mint is a good company. They seem to get good ratings, so 8.9. Scented candle, 9 ounces. That looks very similar to the others. You can see some of the pictures. They look really pretty. If we just change the label to a birthday label. So to see what size you need to make the label, come down here and go start designing. And then if you scroll right down, you'll see the print file requirements here. So it says the print area size is 900 by 750 pixels with 300 dpi. So when you go to Canva, you can use free Canva. You just need to open up a 900 by 700 pixel canvas and start designing. So choose the type of one you would like to make, and yeah, make it and put it up on Printify, save it, and put it up on Etsy. So when you get to Canva, you want to go custom size, 900 by 750, because that's the size that Printify says to make them. And then we have the size that Printify said to make. So I've copied a photo of the one I'm going to try and recreate something similar. You don't want to make it exactly the same, but you can just have an idea of what you're going to make from it. So this one here, it's got a line down there and a line down there. You don't have to do that, but you can if you want to. Maybe we'll do it without the line, but if you wanted to do a line, that kind of thing, you just choose a shape, you'd make it the length you want. You would move it to 90 degrees if you want up and down, and put it where you want it, that kind of thing. So maybe we'll just have it there and not do the other one. And then she's got the date, so you could put just the year. Here she's just put the year, or you could put the actual date as well. So you need to add a heading. You're going to put the date, so let's say they're 2003. They're going that way, so you'd want to turn it this way, and then you want to shift it and make it bigger. This purple line just shows it's in the middle, so you want to line it up. So you've got the date. You can change the font up here to something a bit fancier or nicer. You can just look around and choose one that you really like. Her one's a bit thicker, but then you want a heading for the name. Change the font to something a bit fancier and make it a bit bigger. Move it into place. We did the name a lot bigger, but I like that. And then here they put, keep shining bright on your 40th birthday, love Annie. So you could put any kind of message you wanted to put. You could use ChatGPT to come up with a message. We might do that. So we just need to go to ChatGPT, unless you can think of something yourself. A good candle sentence for a birthday candle gift. Wishing you a year filled with the warm glow of joy, the sweet fragrance of success, and the steady flame of endless possibilities. Happy birthday. So that's brilliant. So we could use that. We just copy it. So then we go back to Canva and we just add our saying from ChatGPT. We want to make it smaller. It's quite a big saying. Put it in the middle of the spot and then change the font to whatever you'd like. Once you have something that you like in the font, all you need to do is keep on adding to it. Perhaps you could do a flower, take some of the other elements from some of the other ones so you're not copying it exactly. Then we go back to Printify, click on my device, grab our file that we made on Canva, and we're going to scale it down a little so that it's all within these dotted lines. Something like this. So you don't want to copy it exactly, you want to add something else, but you could do this. It's just a quick one just to show you what it would look like. So then we come over here and we can preview it. So it's very similar. It's a good birthday candle. And you'd probably want to add a birthday flower or something like that. But you can see how easy it is to make. You can see how easy it is to make a quick candle, and then you put it up on Etsy. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.